Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through a quick comparison between Refreshme and Zoho books. Once it's a finance face-off, let's see who's gonna come up the winner. So business owners, we know you need a financial sidekick. Refreshme and Zoho books both claim to be the best, but which one actually fits your hustle? Let's settle this in a few minutes. When you look at who they are best for, Refreshme is best for solopreneurs and quick cash flow snapshots, while Zoho Books is best for small businesses needing full accounting. When we look at automation, Refreshme has AI-powered expense sorting, while Zoho Books has recurring invoices plus payment reminders. When you look at mobile experience, Refreshme is ultra simple with one-tap tracking, while Zoho Books is feature-rich but slightly cluttered. When you look at reporting, Refreshme has real-time spending alerts, while Zoho Books has profit loss statements plus tax preparation. When you look at integrations, Refreshme works with major banks, while Zoho Books has about 40 plus apps, integrates about 40 plus apps like PayPal, CRM, you name it. Lastly, the learning curve. Refreshme takes literally 5 minutes, while Zoho Books takes about 1 to 2 weeks to master. So, Refreshme is like a financial energy drink, quick and buzzy, while Zoho Books is more like a full course MBA. But which one keeps your business alive? If you move fast and hate spreadsheets, Refreshme. Grow a team and you need pro tools, then choose Zoho Books. Drop a comment which one is your money MVP. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech battles. See you in the next one.